And one more thing, inshallah, after coming to campus, there will be a deal between you and me. You have to talk with me in Malayalam, and inshallah, I will talk with you in Urdu. Inshallah, okay? So, I want to speak in Malayalam, I want to learn Malayalam, okay? I know I can understand, but it is very difficult to say because yeah, it's very difficult because there are total I think 50 above 50 alphabets. So it is very difficult to just pronounce every single word. But there are some words that can easily pronounce, but there are some difficult. If you will pronounce, it means something else. So you should teach me. I want to learn Malayalam language, okay? So inshallah, be frank. Don't be any stress, okay? Calm down. So आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है. So inshallah, this is our inauguration session. So inshallah, we will start our class later because inshallah we will start our class later. So one more thing, yeah, तो तानूर से तुम इसको पहचानता है, हसन कुट्टी. He is my dipmate. Hassan Kutti from Tanur. He is my dipmate. He also completed his graduation from this year. Became a Hudvi after cracking all examinations through online. Yeah, all of you also attend the online examination. This is not for me, not for us. PG session. Yeah, from previous session it was only for final students, final scholars, any final semesters who are just being Hudavi from this semester. They are allowed to attend the examination, and others will only attend the takhasus paper. So they just attended, and inshallah after reopening of Darul Huda Islamic University, inshallah the remaining exam will be conducted. So that is my don't go to my beard, it's too big, my Misha, that's it. Okay, so today enough. So inshallah we will meet inshallah next class, okay? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.